Welcome everybody to 613 Box Breaks. Tonight we're unveiling the last box in the break. So it's break 8 of 8. And I do want to thank everybody that has participated in each of these breaks. The winner will receive at the end of this one 2 tickets to their choice of either an NHL game or a Major League Baseball game for the 2013-2014 season. And so let's get right out of here. The time is 1:13 a.m. and here is the serial code. And it is NE99363317. And as you can see, it is 100% factory sealed. Let's get out here. Checklist. 24 packs, 8 cards per pack. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. We have an empty box. Let's get at her here. And base, base. We have 4 the Nashville Predators, Craig Smith, rookie mosaics. Yes, also anybody that has teams that did not get a hit, I will be putting it into random.org, cycling it 3 times at the end of the break, and a free free hit will be given to the team standing in the number 1 spot. Off of that. So let's just get that Nashville and base, and base. That's it already. Good luck, everybody. Base, base, We have, for Toronto, a Clark MacArthur breakthrough. That's pretty cool. base. We have for Carolina, private signings by Drayson Bowman. That's a nice one there. Base, base, and base. Base, 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 base. For Columbus Blue Jackets, we have Cam Atkinson, Mosaics rookie. Base, base, and base. Base, base, base. For the Oilers, we have a Marty McSorley, Tough Times. Nice one. Base, base, and base. Base, 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 and base. Base, 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 base. Base, 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 base. Base, base, base. For Tampa Bay, we have Brett Connolly, rookie Mosaic. It's a nice one for Tampa Bay. And base, base, and base. Base, base, base. I have for the Stars, Dallas Stars, Jamie Benn breakthrough. Base, base, and base. Base, 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 base. We have for Chicago, Brandon Saad, something like that. Rookie. base, and base. Base, base, base. From Montreal, we have a Brian Gionta Captain's card. It's a good one from Montreal. And base, base, and base. Base, 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 base. We have for Toronto a Dion Phaneuf Mosaics. Decoy.